In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit request forms in Wrike. With just a few simple steps, you'll become more efficient in managing your projects. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to head over to wrike.com. The first step is logging in using your email. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the homepage. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the relevant space where your request form is located. This should be easily accessible from the sidebar on the dashboard. The side navigation is your main tool here. It helps you keep everything organized and at your fingertips. Next, keep an eye out for your profile picture displayed on the sidebar. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Settings. Think of this as your control center, where many of the options related to your account and projects can be fine-tuned. Once you're in the settings, locate the account management section. This is where you'll find access to request forms. It's important to familiarize yourself with these options as they are crucial for tailoring the request forms to your specific needs and preferences. Before proceeding with editing, ensure that the request form you intend to modify is visible to others in your account. If it isn't visible, any changes you make will not be saved. This is a common pitfall, so make sure the visibility settings are configured correctly. It's a good practice to double check this, saving you from potential frustration later down the line. When you're editing the form, you can check its visibility from the information panel located on the left-hand side of the editing interface. This panel will provide you with all necessary details about who can see the form, ensuring everything is set up just as you need. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively managing request forms within Wrike, streamlining your workflow, and optimizing team collaboration. Remember, the key is to stay organized and ensure proper visibility settings. By doing so, you facilitate seamless communication and project management across your team or organization. So, with these instructions in mind, you should have the confidence to log in, navigate to the right space, and make any edits necessary to improve your team's workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.